Hello, dear students, and welcome back to this new listening lesson. This is your teacher, Yunus Deeb, and today we'll have a look at a new unit that is Environment and Ecology. So before we start our lesson, let's have a look at the main important objectives. First, you will be able to get an overall idea of what an environment is. We'll look at a definition of an environment. Later on, you will be able to show an understanding of ways to protect it. And later on, you will demonstrate an understanding of the environment components by answering a reflection exercise. At the end of this lesson, you will be given a short reflection questions that you have to answer. So with that being said, let's have a look at our question. What is environment? This is a question that you're probably gonna first ask. So generally speaking, environment consists of three main elements or components, the most important of which are air, water, and land. But these three elements are very broader or general. To make it more specific, we're talking about trees or flowers, okay? Then we have animals or fishes or anything that goes around. And of course, people are also part of the environment. Now, when we're talking about the environment, we're talking about all these main elements. But the ones who destroy it are mostly people. And this is why we need to keep the environment clean. But the question is, how? Now, there are several ways to protect the environment. Let's have a look at only few ones. So these are ways to protect the environment. First, never throw garbage on the ground. Whenever you have a snack or any biscuit or whatever, try not to throw the garbage on the ground. You need to water the plants every day. This is very important as well. Don't spit on the roads. This is important as well. And of course, you have to stop or at least reduce your use of disposable plastics because plastics is the most dangerous components that destroy the environments for sure. All right? Now, let's have a look at this worksheet. This is the task that you will be required to do. Environment is everything that is around. Write a short paragraph explaining some ways to protect it. Now you need to write a short paragraph in which you explain some ways to protect the environment. The maximum of lines that you are allowed to write are 8 lines. No more, no less. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed this lesson and thank you very much indeed for taking the time to listen.